What if 2025 wasn't just another year, but the moment the future actually arrived? From phones that heal their own screens to AI that performs surgery, these inventions aren't coming. They're already here. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most jaw-dropping inventions of 2025. From mind-blowing medical tech to materials that feel like magic, we're breaking down the innovations reshaping our everyday lives. Stay to the end because our number one could literally rewrite the future of your health and your identity. What if your phone never died? Ever. In 2025, engineers unveiled a new generation of ambient energy harvesting batteries, powered by a blend of nanomaterials and microscopic antennas called rectennas. These devices can convert stray electromagnetic waves like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G signals, or even vibrations from your footsteps into usable power. These aren't just gimmicks. Startups and major players like Samsung and Huawei are prototyping devices that charge passively while you're on the move. Even windows embedded with transparent solar cells now double as power sources, offering a clean and endless stream of trickle energy for homes, vehicles, and wearables. The US military is already testing these self-charging power cells in remote field equipment, reducing the need for resupply missions. And in urban environments, buses and taxis might soon charge just by being in motion near city networks. Your phone could soon charge in your pocket. Imagine never worrying about cords, chargers, or low battery warnings ever again. What's the first device you'd want to make wirelessly self-charging? Would you trust a machine with your life? This year, we saw the launch of Surgical GPT, a generative AI system trained on over 300 million surgical case files and real-time imaging data. Combined with robotic precision arms, the AI can now autonomously perform soft tissue surgeries like tumor removals, vessel repairs, and even organ transplants with sub-millimeter accuracy. What makes it revolutionary isn't just the precision, it's the speed and adaptability. The system constantly cross-references global medical databases, adjusts to sudden complications in real time, and never gets tired. During one trial, Surgical GPT identified a micro tear in a patient's artery, something even seasoned doctors missed. In regions with doctor shortages, these AI surgical units are already transforming care delivery. In space exploration, NASA is considering these systems for future Mars missions, where an onboard doctor simply might not be an option. AI surgery is now being used in rural clinics and space medicine where every second counts and surgeons aren't always available. If an AI could perform surgery better than a human, would you trust it? What if you dropped your phone and it healed itself? Imagine polymers with memory. In 2025, researchers created smart materials that mimic skin, able to stretch, bend, tear, and then repair themselves like living tissue. These materials are embedded with dynamic covalent bonds, which are special chemical links that reform automatically after being damaged. Drop your phone, crack the screen, just leave it on a warm surface and the polymer lattice will reseal itself in under an hour. No technician needed. This isn't theoretical. LG and a Japanese company named Tohoku Tech are both prototyping consumer devices with self-repairing outer shells. The automotive industry is also diving in. Cars coated with these materials could fix minor dents and scratches overnight, saving billions in repairs. Even aerospace companies are testing versions for spacecraft hulls that heal micrometeorite damage. In the medical world, researchers are working on self-healing implants that can seal microfractures inside the body, reducing surgery risks. Think of it as a body's natural healing, but upgraded. Smartphones, car exteriors, and even wearables now come with this tech built in. Imagine a cracked screen fixing itself overnight while you sleep. Would you pay extra for a phone or car that could repair itself? What if waiting for a transplant became a thing of the past? Bioprinting has long been a promise, but 2025 was the year it delivered. Bioprinting uses high-precision 3D printers loaded with bioinks made from a patient's own stem cells. Labs are now printing fully vascularized organs complete with blood vessels and functioning tissue layers. The key innovation this year was the use of oxygen-sensing hydrogel scaffolds, which allowed larger tissues to survive and mature in lab conditions. Researchers in Germany successfully implanted a 3D printed kidney into a pig, and it began filtering waste within hours. Hospitals are planning human trials for printed livers and skin grafts in late 2025. Burn victims may soon receive custom printed skin patches that match their DNA, reducing scarring and rejection rates to near zero. In the future, hospitals could have a bioink library on standby. You walk in, scan your genome, and an organ is printed just for you. No donors, no waiting lists, no rejections. These organs match the patient's DNA, meaning zero rejection, no waiting lists, and potentially millions of lives saved. Would you feel comfortable getting a 3D printed organ if it could save your life? What if your data was truly unhackable? Quantum internet has officially stepped out of the lab. In 2025, networks in China, the Netherlands, and Canada went live with quantum key distribution, or QKD, a form of communication so secure that it destroys itself if intercepted. This tech is based on quantum entanglement, where two particles share the same state no matter how far apart they are. If a hacker tries to read the transmission, the system instantly detects the intrusion and halts the data flow. The applications are massive: secure financial transactions, encrypted government communications, and military strategies that can't be leaked. Banks are already piloting quantum secure ATMs. Healthcare providers are testing it to protect sensitive medical records. The next leap? Connecting quantum computers to the quantum internet, making a parallel web that's faster, more secure, and potentially AI resistant. We're talking about next level cybersecurity. Banking, voting, medical records, all protected by physics itself. Would you feel safer knowing your online identity was protected by the laws of quantum mechanics? From self-healing screens to organs printed on demand, these inventions aren't just impressive, they're rewriting reality. The only question left is, are we ready for the world they're building?